I'm Sam Laliberte, and I empower young professionals to leverage the freelance economy as their path to entrepreneurship and designing their own liberated lifestyle. I became a freelancer more than 5 years ago when I found myself unexpectedly unemployed when a dream job of mine fell through. For the last 5 years, I've been my own boss. I've created a business that I can run from anywhere in the world. I have multiple revenue streams. Some are definitely more lucrative and successful than others. I set my own hours. I set my own rate. I consistently make more than $10,000 a month, and I very rarely clock more than 30 hours of work a week. I have done this all by becoming a freelancer.
I sell my services on Fiverr, so pretty big company. They're the world's largest marketplace for freelance services. So literally anyone can go into Fiverr, they can create a profile, they can say, hey, I'm an expert in this. This is what I can do for you, and this is my rate. And this completely changed my business and my financial journey.
And now with so much flexibility in my schedule and my location and my finances, I've really designed this lifestyle of mine that is quite complex. In fact, one of the hardest things I have to do now is answer the question, what do you do? Who are you? People love to ask that question, right? You meet somebody at a networking event and they want to know, what do you do? Everyone wants to put you in these very simple, clean boxes. So for me, when somebody asks me that question and I try to answer, what is my identity and who am I end up rambling quite a bit. The person gets overwhelmed by how long it's taking me to answer something that should be a very straightforward question in their minds. So I just backtrack and try to bail and say I work on the internet.
I remember how this idea started. It did not start like this. It started with a conversation with Sandra with me saying, hey, we should celebrate some of the wins from the past year. He quickly said, why don't we make an award ceremony? And then Jared said, hey, we just hired a new head of business operations. This seems like the perfect first task for him. And everyone just completely ran with it, including the staff here, and it just got better and better and better.
I don't want you to think about what is your dream job. I want you to think about what is your dream life. When you have the freedom to make all of these small different decisions and create a life that's truly unique to you, that's when the real power is. So if you could do anything you want, what do you do? If you can have anything you want, what do you have? If you don't spend time building your own dream, somebody is going to pay you to build theirs.